Dear students, welcome to Diploma Engineering Mathematics 2. So in that we are learning about unit first, straight lines and conic section. So before going to start the important questions on this chapter, let us remember about the concept what is learnt under this straight lines and conic section. See, the concept to be remembered for examination is, the first point is slope of a straight line. So what is slope of a straight line is always given by m is equal to tan theta, where theta is an angle of inclination which is along the direction of positive x-axis. So if the 2 points are given, which is x1 y1 and x2 y2, which are the 2 points of a straight line, then its slope can be found out by using the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So again, if we have a third point, if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are always equal. Remember, this is a very important point for your examination. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are always equal. Similarly, if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slope is always equal to minus 1, which is nothing but m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So similarly, if we have a different equations of straight lines, examination ಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು very important concept ನಿಮಗೆ. So different equations of straight lines, in that you will have the equation of a straight line if the slopes are given and y intercepts are given, which is given by y is equal to mx plus c. The equation of a straight line having slope and y intercepts which are given by y is equal to mx plus c. Similarly, equation of a straight line passing through a point and having a slope. Passing through a point and having a slope is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is that equation of a straight line is? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Similarly, if 2 points are given, then its equation of a straight line can be found out by using this formula, which is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And the fourth point is, if the intercepts of a straight lines are given, so if the intercepts are given, then its equation can be found out by using this formula x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a and b are the x and y intercepts. And the last equation of a straight line is the general equation of a straight line, the general form of a straight line. So that its equation is given by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is that general equation of a straight line? Is always ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And these are the different forms of a straight line. For examination point of view, you should very important to be remember these three concepts. Okay, slope and intercepts are given, then you find the equation of a straight line may be asked. And if a point and a slopes are given, then its equation can be found out by using this formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And similarly, you have to remember the 2-point form of a straight line, which is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so if the general equation of a straight lines are given, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then its slope and intercepts can be easily found out. So how to find their slope and intercept means, the slope of a straight line is given by m is equal to minus a by b, and the y intercept of a straight line can be easily found out by using this formula minus c by a. Okay, so if the slope of parallel lines are always, remember this is a very important question for your 5 marks. Slope of a straight line, if the lines are parallel, is m is equal to minus a by b, and the slope of perpendicular line is what is the slope of a perpendicular line is minus 1 by m is equal to minus a by b. So this to be converted into the slope m. Okay, slope of parallel line is m is equal to minus a by b, and the slope of perpendicular line is minus 1 by m is equal to minus a by b. And these are the concept to be remembered for your examination point of view. Okay, so ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಲೈಕ್ 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks and 6 marks. Okay, thank you.